Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make probiotic rice. First, gather your ingredients: 1 cup of rice, filtered water, and a small amount of a probiotic starter like yogurt or kefir. This process transforms simple rice into a gut-friendly food. We will cover preparation, fermentation, and storage, ensuring you can easily create this beneficial food at home. Begin by rinsing 1 cup of rice under cold water until the water runs clear. This removes excess starch. Next, place the rinsed rice in a clean bowl and add 2 cups of filtered water. Let the rice soak for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally, overnight. Soaking helps soften the grains and prepares them for fermentation. After soaking, drain the rice and transfer it to a blender. Add 1 to 2 cups of fresh filtered water, depending on your desired consistency. Blend until smooth. Now, incorporate your probiotic starter. Just 1 spoonful of plain yogurt or kefir works well. Pour this mixture into a clean glass jar, covering it loosely to allow air exchange. Allow your rice mixture to ferment at room temperature for 1 to 2 days. You'll know it's ready when you see small bubbles forming and detect a slightly tangy, sour aroma. Once fermented, transfer the probiotic rice to the refrigerator. It will stay fresh and beneficial for up to 7 days. Enjoy this homemade, gut-healthy food.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.